Hello guys, and welcome to this video on how to set up a profitable pixel. So in one of the videos I reminded you that pixel is just a tracker. So Facebook wants to be able to track anyone that gets to your website, your landing page, your sales page, your confirmation page, whatever page, your lead capture page. Facebook wants to be able to track, and for every tracking mechanism called pixel, it has an ID. So what you basically need to do is to copy your ID and paste in your plugin, especially if you're using WordPress. So I'm going to be using this page for example. So you see this page here. I'm going to refresh. You see, this is Meta Pixel Helper. So you can just install this extension from your Chrome extension, and depending on the browser you are using. So it's called Meta Pixel Helper, formerly called Facebook Pixel Helper. So once you install this um, extension, you can use it to identify if there is a pixel. I like to call it a tracker. That's what it's supposed to be. Things like pixels, cookies, these are all trackers, right? So with this extension, you will know when there is a tracker active on that page. You will know if there is a pixel that is active on that page. I know a lot of people probably do the manual coding method for adding pixels, but I don't really like that. So we're gonna copy that pixel, the pixel ID from your event manager. So I'm gonna be copying this. It's very simple. Then I'll go onto my site and install this Pixel Your Site Pro plugin. It's a very nice plugin. If you don't get Pro, you can simply start with Pixel Your Site. Just go to your WordPress plugin, install Pixel Your Site. And for Meta, I'll simply click here, and on this place, I'll paste this Pixel ID and simply scroll down and click on Save Settings. You see, this is how simple it can be, and that will be all. So now on this same page that was not showing a pixel, I would refresh. I hope it takes effect immediately. So let me refresh. So I'll just give it some time and then refresh the page. It should work in just a few minutes. So sometimes if it doesn't come out immediately, check if you have a cache plugin. If you have a cache plugin, try to clear cache or just patch cache, and hopefully it should just start working. Let's take a look. So it's still not yet active. We have to wait for a little while. And sometimes if you try to refresh a number of times and your Pixel Helper is not working, sometimes the solution is just to go to the settings of your browser and then turn off any ad blocker. If you have an ad blocker on your browser, it can block the pixel. So I turn off ad blocker, I refresh, you see we have a pixel here, right? So for every page you go to, you'll find out that there is a pixel. So let's go to the home page. You see there is also a pixel here. So I'm going to go back to this page. You see the pixel is still here. Let me refresh. It's very important to always refresh. So there's something I'm going to do. The next thing is for every page which is your confirmation page, right? So this page, for example, is my confirmation page for an opt-in page I created. So it's my confirmation page, my thank you page. When people fill in that opt-in form, they normally land on this page. And then if you are running a lead capture ad, if you are running a lead conversion ad, this is a page where you need to, tag your pixel. Okay, I'm going to show you. Let's go straight to the point. So on this page, on your event manager, you will come here and click on add events. From your add event, click on from pixel and then open the event setup tool. Right, on this event setup tool, I'm going to paste that URL, that's this link. I'm going to paste this final link, the thank you page link. So if you're into e-commerce, the same thing, your thank you page. So I'm going to click on open website. So now it has opened this website by Facebook itself. So on this page, you are supposed to click on track a button or track a URL. But because this is the final page, you are not tracking any button. So you just select track a URL. But from what we can see here, this option is washed out. It means it's not active. So no matter what you do here, you cannot add a new pixel here. All right. So I have a trick to it, because one of the reasons why this happens is because Facebook doesn't see certain things here. But I have a trick to it. For example, I'm using Elementor. I just pick a button and add somewhere, right? You show the button added. Okay, here's the button. It doesn't matter where it adds, just put it in a place where it's easy for you to remove. Now this button, no function, Facebook will be able to detect it. So I have to refresh. Once I refresh this page, because of that button I put, because of this button here, these options become available. So it's a trick. And this trick is what many people do not know, and it forces them to insert their code manually. But this is very simple. So I'm going to click on track URL and select this place as lead. All right. Now for e-commerce guys, if this is the page where people land after they fill the order form, or this is your after your checkout, this is the page where they land, please choose purchase here. All right, this is what you want to track. You want to track that anyone who lands on this page has fulfilled all the requirements that you deem fit to be a purchase. All right, especially if you are running payment on delivery. Now if you are running a lead campaign, especially for digital guys, information marketers, make sure to tag this page as lead. Now, once you are done, you click on confirm, click on finish, click on finish, ask you their normal questions, you can skip. Sometimes you click on skip, it doesn't work, just be generous enough. Don't bother clicking and don't ask me again, it rarely works. So, done. And for that page, I'm gonna refresh it. We have one pixel here. Let's refresh it and see. So now, so we have a pixel page view, should still come up. So on a norm, it's supposed to now show to destiny, but I think it's still processing. What about this button? Now that you have inserted your pixel correctly, just go back to the page builder and delete that button. You don't need it anymore. Delete and update your page so that your page looks exactly the way it's supposed to be. So I don't know, this video is very short and simple, so and I hope it helps you. If you have any further questions, just go through YouTube or you can ask me. I'll do my best to give you all the answers that you need. All right, I will see you in the next video, where we talk about how to create an ad from beginning to the end, how to create a profitable Facebook advert. So I'll see you in that video. Let's wrap it up.